Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important interview questions. These are the four interview questions. So I am faced. Recently, I am attended few interviews. In those interviews, I faced these questions. So I want to discuss with all of us. So what is lambda expression? Here, what is lambda expression? A lambda expression is a anonymous function. Anonymous, anonymous anonymous function. So anonymous function. It does not have method name, return type, and modifiers. Modifiers. So this is the most important interview question. Modifier. Change to 16. Yeah, right. What is a lambda expression in Java? Lambda expression is a anonymous function. It does not have method name, return type, and modifier. So let's verify. This time I will try to use predefined functional interface. Functional interface is only we can apply lambda expressions, right? Control Shift T. Let's I am typing predicate. Predicate is a functional interface from Java 8, right? See, since 1.8, Java 8, 1.8 at functional interface. Predicate is a functional interface. See, is there any method? Is there any method? See, it is a abstract method, test method. It is returning boolean. It is expecting T. So let's try to use this. Copy this signature. Control C. Predicate is a functional interface. So it is the signal. It is the signature, right? Method signature. So lambda arrow, it is expecting T. This is the parameter. So pass, suppose T. So I am passing T not equal to 0. This is some expression I am passing. It is a predicate, right? Predicate. So predicate, I am passing 0 means it is an integer. Integer, suppose result. Control Shift O for imports. Predicate. Check its spelling. Java.util.function dot predicate. Integer spelling around change to integer. See, no errors. So this is a lambda expression. See, this is a lambda expression. So this lambda expression matching with predicate method. Inside predicate, what method is a test method? What is expecting? It is one type, one T. T means type, any type. Like I'm passing integer type. So it is an integer type. So integer, like I'm checking this condition. It will return the if it is false. If it is false, it will based on the if it is true, it will print the true. If it is false, it will print the false. So this is right. Cut this one. Add main method. Main. So paste same here. So predicate is a functional interface. Inside predicate, one test method will be there. Remember, predicate is a functional interface. Inside predicate, one test method will be there. If you want to call this test method, result dot test method will be there. Check test integer. Type. It is expecting type, right? We are passing type is integer. Integer. See, it is a type safety. We can pass any type. Where now we are and passed integer type. So it is showing integer. It is test of t type. Type we are passed our choice. Suppose I am passing 2. It is true. Not equal to 0, right? It is true. It will return boolean. Boolean. Boolean is suppose is value. Like if you are using booleans is as we need to add. Remember. So let's print this condition must be true. Not equal to 0. That is true, right? We will get a result true. Right click run as Springboard app. So see we got true. Let's read what is a lambda expression in Java. A lambda expression is a anonymous function. It does not have name, method name, return type, and modifier. See, for observe this. Is there any method name here? Is there any access modifiers or modifiers? Is there any return type? Nothing, right? So see, lambda expression does not have method name, return type, and access modifiers. O to call functional or lambda expressions. Every lambda expression is a one functional interface, right? By using that functional interface reference, we can call. So predicate is a functional interface. So we are by using lambda expression, we are accessing predicate predicate test method. So by using predicate reference variable, we are calling test method, right? So what is a lambda expression in Java? We are understand that lambda expression is a anonymous function. It does not have method name, return type, and access modifiers. What do you call a lambda expression in Java? So like every lambda expression is a functional interface. By using functional interface reference variable, I am calling. Both two are done, right? I'm copying this. I will paste there. Control C. These are the most important interview questions, mostly for freshers. So change to 16. These are the most important interview questions before going to. If you are planning to go to interview as a Java developer, then you must prepare this. And if any interviewer will ask which Java version you are using, like you can say we are using like 17 or 21, like that. But we are using 17 version, but mostly we are using Java 8 features. Otherwise, we are using 11 version, but mostly we are using Java 8 features. You can include Java 8 as well. Otherwise, they will not ask about Lambda functions, Steam APIs, optional APIs. These are method reference kind of. So you can must include. Otherwise, you can straight away tell in my application we are using Java 8. That's it. What do you call static and default methods on a functional interface in Java? So what do you call static and see question? What do you call static and default methods on functional interface in Java? Interface in Java. So calling static methods by using class name or interface name. Here, see, what do you call static and default methods and functional interface in Java? So functional interface in Java. So by using interface name only, functional interface only we can call. See, these are the two static methods. Not it is expecting predicate, right? So I am passing this result to this method. That's it. Is there any returning? Let's check. So control S. Go to this not method. So let's check it. Not method is returning anything. See, these are the methods available. Not. So not it is returning T. It is returning T. T means our choice. So let's so our choice here, but it is integer. It is returning integer. Integer R. So let's check. Change to predicate of integer. It is expecting predicate of integer. Yes, predicate of integer. If you want to call as well the standard out of println R dot test method, we need to pass some value. Yet. So if static method we can call by using class name, by using interface name. We can able to call interface name. Suppose I want to call default method. Default method. See here. What do you call static and default methods on a functional interface in Java? So let's check in predicate it is in default method. Minimize outline. This is the outline. Check R method is there. It is a default method. It will return predicate of T. So go to R method. So this is the object reference, right? Take this object reference, predicate. This is the lambda expression. It is a interface reference. This is the interface right reference, right? Interface reference dot R method. See R method it is expecting predicate. So I am passing R. What will returning? Let's check. It is returning predicate of T. Same above like that only. It is returning. So it is returning like that only. You can change like R1 kind of. If you want to call system dot out println R1 dot test, R1 dot test, some value, some value. So what do you call static methods in functional interface by using interface name because of static methods called like class name or interface. What do you call default methods in functional interface by using functional interface reference name. So by using functional interface reference name, right? So I'm copying this. I will add comment also here. Static methods, static methods we can call by using interface name default methods, default methods, we can call we can call by using interface reference. We can call by using interface reference. So now size, decrease the size, scroll down, change to about 16. 16. When should you choose a lambda expression and when should you choose a method expression? Suppose lambda expression. When I need to choose like if any custom logic, custom logic, custom logical expressions, expressions, conditions, conditions. If you are expecting inline conditions, conditions, and inline means single line conditions, single line, single line conditions. Suppose single line statements. When we need to choose lambda expression, custom logic expressions, conditions, inline statements. When we need to choose method references, when we need to choose references, 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 existing method, method calls, existing method calls. I will show example for this existing method calls. So I'm changing to system. So here lambda expression, custom logic expressions, conditions, inline statements. When should you choose a lambda expression and when should you choose a method reference in Java? Lambda expression, custom logic expressions, conditions like if conditions like that, inline statements, method references, existing method calls. One method is that we want to call by using functional interface. I will show that. For that, here I will create another class. Inside this class only I will create another class suppose student. This is the class, right? This example only I will take test, right? Test method is there. It is a boolean return type. It is expecting 1t, right? So here while method reference existing method calls conditions will be there. Existing method call must match method must match method return type and parameters must match must match must match method return type and parameters. See, this is the must condition. Must match method return type and parameters of lambda expression. Lambda expression and lambda expression and method references method method references method references method reference existing method calls. When we should, if some method is there we want to access, then we need to choose this method references must match method return type and parameters of lambda expression and method references. So lambda expression and method references, return type and parameters must match. I will create one situation and I will show now. So this is the class, right? I'm creating one method public boolean suppose is true, suppose is validate, some method is there. I'm giving integer value. This is the method. I am returning value not equal to 0, value not equal to integer value, right? Value not equal to 0. So this is one I want to access this by using the method references. Here I want to access, this is a class, inside one method is there, I want to access for method references. So let's start. So this is the return type is boolean, predicate out of boolean, predicate also boolean, right? So parameters, one parameter, it is also type, it is matching, right? So use student double colon, it is method name is validate, so it will return the return type is boolean, right? So suppose R1, I'm storing in R1. Let's check. See here, what get error? Cannot make a static reference to non-static. So we are accessing through class name, right? So make it static. While using the method references must return type and parameter same. Return type and parameter same, but not required to same match this access modifier like static. This static, this one not required to match. Access modifiers are not required to match. This modifier not required to match. So this return type matching one parameter, it is also matching. So change to R2. So see, we are not getting any other. Let's print the result. SYSO R2 R2 dot test integer of, suppose I am giving 20. So I am removing these are, see, this is the predicate is the functional interface. This functional interface we are successfully accessed now. So see, method references, existing method call, must match method return type and parameters of lambda expression. So I have a one class is there, in that one method is there. I want to access, this is existing method, I want to access through method references. So for that I need to check if there any predefinite lambda function is available. Exactly same return type and same parameters. See here, return type same, both are boolean, and parameters are single parameter. It is match. If not available, then we need to create our own functional interface. So it is matching. That's why I'm calling by using static method reference. This is the static method reference. Static method reference. By using static reference method reference, I call it. So in this video, we are successfully understand 4 interview questions, right? They are the most important. I'm copying here. Control here. So select all. Reduce the size to. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.